Hello and welcome to today's video. I originally had a Nintendo Switch Lite that I unboxed that's currently on my channel, and I recently purchased the red and blue limited edition. My favorite color is actually red, so I'm very happy that Nintendo actually came out with an all-red system. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna turn it on and everything. So I'm gonna let the audio go for a bit here. That's awesome. Now with my Switch Lite, I don't think I had audio going when I first turned it on. But yeah, one thing that sucks is the freaking kickstand is all black. And I do have the 512 gig micro SD card to go in this system. I watched some gameplay with this Switch. I'm not entirely sure how I'm gonna do it yet, but that's awesome. So yeah, this is my first regular Switch. I do like the Joy-Cons. But yeah, it just sucks on the quality of these Joy-Cons and even the joysticks on the Pro controllers and whatnot, being rated only for 400 hours. And it is nice that it does include a case and a screen protector, which I will apply. But yeah, it is a pretty flimsy case. Got nice soft material. Spot to store 5 games and a little pouch here. I don't know if you can see that there. That's better. So you can store 5 games here. It's kind of nice that I don't necessarily have to buy a case for it. But I do plan on getting a Mario themed travel case for this system. I'll be right back. but it's not too bad. That's actually a pretty nice blue. There's one. There's straps. This yellow coin on the strap does say Nintendo. Trying to get the light on it. There's the other one. Comes with an HDMI cable. This actually seems pretty decent quality. And it does say Nintendo on it. There's the power adapter. Now I don't remember if my Switch Lite actually came with a power adapter or not. If it did, then I very well may have misplaced it. This also says Nintendo on it. Now for the dock. Huh, that's interesting. And this dock is actually double wrapped. Bubble wrap and this foam wrap. So yeah, the whole thing is completely red. It's just the internal stuff there is black. There's the front of the dock. That's pretty sweet. Alright. Now to turn this thing on. That's pretty sweet. There we go. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you in the next one, and yeah, have a good one.